Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to review the Galaxy A51. This is a device which comes with quad camera setup by Samsung under the price tag of 25,000 rupees. I'm going to keep this review as quick as possible, so without further delay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the pricing. As I mentioned, the device is priced at 24,000 rupees for 6GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage. This is a device which will be available in the offline market as well for 24,000 rupees, or it can go down to about 23,000 rupees in some stores in coming months or something like that. For now, we are going to consider 23 to 24,000 rupees as the base pricing for the Galaxy A51. First of all, let's talk about the build quality. The device is made out of plastic entirely, but the device does feel good to hold in hand. It is little bit flimsy, and if I try to use a lot of force maybe, then it may bend. Now let's talk about the battery. 4000 mAh battery will be able to get you through one single day without any issues. We had no issues with the battery life as usual with other Samsung devices such as Galaxy A50 or A50s. A51 was very good in that department. Similar to those devices, 15-watt fast charger is pre-included in the box itself, meaning you can charge your device in just about 1 hour and 30 minutes from 0% to 100%, and that's pretty good charging time for the Galaxy A51. Let's talk about the quad camera setup. Normal lens, ultra wide angle lens, macro lens, and a depth sensor on the back panel, and 32 megapixel selfie camera, twice the number as that of M30s. Galaxy M31 may launch soon according to the rumors, so I'm excited to see whether Samsung will include this 32 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy M31 as well, because when it comes to the processor, which is Exynos 9611, is same as Galaxy M30s. Talking about the camera and the pictures that it clicked, it was very good. Galaxy A50s performed very good, and Galaxy A51 does the same thing. It clicks very good photos with regular camera. When we shift from regular camera to ultra wide angle camera, there is color shifting issue. Samsung has tried to add extra exposure and little bit of saturation into the wide angle to make sure that it looks closer to the normal lens, but it has been overdone in my opinion in many cases. It looks good, it is easily shareable on Instagram or Twitter, but it is not same as the regular camera. And no complaints, the details were much better as compared to what other companies have to offer in a similar price range. Selfie camera also performed very good. As you can see, these are some of the sample shots. We disabled the beauty mode completely, and this is how the pictures turned out to be. 32 megapixel selfie camera. Details are there, but 32 seems like a very huge number. 8 megapixel camera on many other Android phones or even iPhones, like lower megapixel count, may click similar quality pictures. It's just that number game. Don't expect 32 megapixel to have 6 times or 10 times details as compared to your earlier camera. That's not gonna happen. But overall, camera quality is something I was very happy with the Galaxy A51. Headphone jack is present on the Galaxy A51. I have to mention that it is present because it is not present on the Galaxy S10 Lite. USB Type-C port is here. Speaker quality is good. Headphone jack quality is decent. Dual SIM card support with dedicated micro SD card slot. Wi-Fi calling support is present here. VoLTE is supported, dual 4G, dual VoLTE is possible. In 2020, expect all the devices that are going to launch to support dual 4G and dual VoLTE out of the box, and most probably Wi-Fi calling as well. When it comes to processor, RAM, performance, this is the part you guys must be waiting for. So Exynos 9611 processor paired with 6GB of RAM was totally underwhelming. Considering the price tag of 24,000 rupees as of shooting this video, we have other devices such as Realme X2, Poco X2, Realme XT. These devices come with processors such as Snapdragon 712, 730G, K20 Pro available at 25,000 rupees, comes with 855 processor. And all these devices perform way better than what Galaxy A51 has to offer with the Exynos 9611 processor. It was truly disappointing to see the Galaxy A51 not being optimized very well with One UI 2.0. As of shooting this video, One UI 2.0 with Exynos 9611 did not perform as per our expectations. At the price tag of 15,000 rupees, Exynos 9611 processor can be a good choice if you are looking for a Samsung device. But at the price tag of 24,000 rupees, it's very hard to recommend because performance is choppy, it's laggy at times, and it's not just that it happens once in a day or twice in a day. You will keep on noticing that multiple times throughout the entire day. Super AMOLED panel on the Galaxy A51 was extremely good. Great viewing angles, YouTube watching experience or Netflix, Amazon Prime Video looks fantastic. Wideband L1 certification is present out of the box and everything works as well. Samsung devices never really had an issue with wideband certification. Talking about the gaming performance, PUBG gameplay performance, once again, considering the price tag of 24,000 rupees, it was not that great. If you are planning to play PUBG a lot, then Galaxy A51 is definitely not the device to go for. This is the fourth time that we are shooting this particular part where I talk about performance, software updates that we received afterwards, and price to performance ratio, or whether you should go with Galaxy A51 or not. And this is the final conclusion. The device comes with Exynos 9611 processor. This is an octa-core processor which was also available with Galaxy A50, M30s, M31, which are priced, those devices are priced at around 15,000 rupees. You get the exact same processor with Galaxy A51. We waited for a software update just because the performance was glitchy. It was like the animations were not smooth on the Galaxy A51, and even after the software update, the performance, I mean, it did improve. I won't say that it did not improve. It's much better. Earlier it was like very bad, but after the software update, the performance is way better. But even after the software update, it doesn't feel 25,000 rupees worthy. Even if we look at the offline market only, Vivo, Oppo, all these companies have much better performance when it comes to price tag of 25,000 rupees. Vivo has few devices with Snapdragon 675 or some with Snapdragon 700 series processor as well at the price tag of 25,000 rupees, and they look much better. Obviously, you're not going to get that Samsung branding, but once again, if you want Samsung branding only, then even at that price, I think 25,000 rupees is not worth for A51, considering A70, Samsung's own devices, A70 and A70s are available at the price tag of 26,000 rupees, which I feel like will perform better due to the Snapdragon 675 processor which is present in them. When it comes to online market and you want Samsung only, then once again Galaxy M31 with ditto same specifications, in some cases better than Galaxy A51, is available at the price tag of 15,000 rupees only. It's just that Galaxy A51 is lighter and has better looks as compared to Galaxy M31. If you are interested in that, if you are into looks, then Galaxy A50 is available at the price tag of 13,000 rupees only on Flipkart. So it's like Galaxy A50 and A51, the difference is very marginal, just one extra camera lens and Exynos 9610 to Exynos 9611. So if you want to save money, not just want to save money, I feel like Galaxy A50 is way better deal. You can save like 10-12,000 rupees with Galaxy A50, which is available on Flipkart for 13,000 rupees. And you can surprise your mom or dad by buying a phone for them at the price tag of 10,000 rupees. Like that's how it is. And I feel like that's the conclusion of Galaxy A51 at the price tag of 25,000 rupees, when online competition from Xiaomi, Realme or Asus is offering Snapdragon 855 powered devices. Exynos 9611 processor is nowhere close, like literally nowhere close to those flagship processors. PUBG gameplay performance is obviously not that great. Gaming can be done, but not 25,000 rupees worthy in my opinion. And I'll rest my case over here. And that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll list down all the options that you have from Samsung itself to the Samsung Galaxy A51 in the description box below, which are available online and offline as well. And some online options which I feel are better at the price of 25,000 rupees. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed this honest review, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because many more awesome videos like these are going to come real soon on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.